By far, the most important thing about owning a bald buddy is maintenance. Today, we're gonna be talking about the routine clean. The routine clean happens while you're shaving and after you're shaving. You'll be shaving your head, and what you wanna do is you wanna listen to your shaver. The shaver will start to eat hair or shaving cream or soap or whatever you're using to shave. Once you start to hear the RPMs or the motor bog down, that's a very big indication that you need to clear it out. And that's how you routine clean it, is by taking the shaver and running it into water. What do I mean by running it into water? I mean powering on the shaver and dunking it into the cleaning cup. Look at all the gunk in here. As a reminder, the bald buddy does not push hair to the side or make hair disappear. Hair gets trapped behind these shaving heads and you need to clear them out. If you allow hair or shaving cream to continue to get trapped behind these shaving heads, the motor will work very hard and it will bog down and this will lock up. All right, so continue to do your routine cleans during your shave by listening to the shaver and after you shave, just to make sure it's clean before your next usage.